Are you guys ready for a new project? We are currently in the attic, and this was my father's. So here we have a 1960 something Solex koffertje. If you translate that in English, it's a Solex trunk because it has a little trunk area here in the frame. That's its nickname. It used to be my father's. It's technically still my father's, but he doesn't use it. So I was planning on restoring it. It has been in storage. It's at my father's old place in the garage for more than 25 years. I've never known this thing running. Not sure if we will actually get this thing running. It's missing a couple of pieces, missing the cover, the front light cover, and the light itself. The kickstand is all rusted out and can be bent by hand, so pretty useless. But other than that, the bike is pretty complete. It needs a lot of mechanical parts, but go figure, this thing is super old. The plan for this bike is give it a good clean. I don't think I will repaint it because it's still in original shape and I like it original, but get this thing mechanically perfect. So new tires, overhaul the engine. Have been looking around to maybe install a fast cylinder for the Solex. Apparently there are two types of cylinders. The standard cylinders have two transfer ports, and the upgraded ones have three transfer ports. If a triple port works on this engine, maybe we might use this one. We'll see. But let's first start with getting this thing down. So I gave it a little bit of a cleanup. The thorough cleanup will be for when we get this thing started, actually. I first want to go ahead and have a look at the engine and see what we need to order for parts. Quick jump to future me, because past me lost some footage. So I'm refilming this outro. As you can see, the engine is already removed. The bike has gotten a bit of a clean. And that will be it for this episode. So just to give you guys an idea on the new project. The idea for this series is to upload a new video every day. So make sure to get subscribed and leave a like so you can see all these episodes. I think they will be pretty interesting. So thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.